Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing part 3 of Build an Account Reassignment Wizard. This one is building the logic around reassigning the accounts. So specifically we're going to be doing some loops, some decisions, and some assignments. So let's go ahead and jump into our flow. This is where we left off. The first thing we're going to grab over here from our toolbox is a loop. So what this allows us is to evaluate all the different things that we need to do, as it can only process one at a time. So for this label, we're going to go reassign accounts. For the collection variable, we're going to go accounts from user 1. And it's going to go first to last item. For the loop variable, what you're going to do is create a new resource, but I've already created that resource. But to create it, you're just going to have the account loop variable, the description, it's going to be on the account record. Just follow this table. Let's go ahead and click done. Alright, so we're going to drag the node over. Oops. And then the next thing we're going to grab is decision. For the label, I'm going to copy and paste it from our instructions. And this is going to be, this new outcome is going to be for our hot leads, or hot accounts. And it's going to be when all conditions are met. So we're going to grab our variable that we just made, which is our account loop variable, and go down to rating, because that's what we're going to base this upon. And where it equals hot. So let's set our default outcome. And this one is going to be warm or cold. So we're going to have two different people that these accounts are going to go to. Person 2 is going to get the hot accounts, and person 3 is going to get the warm or cold accounts. Let's go ahead and drag the node down, and this is going to be for each item in the collection, not for after last item. So leave it on the default and click done. All right, next we're going to grab assignment, and this is going to be for user 2. So let's go back to our instructions. In the label here, I'm going to copy paste that. For a variable, we're going to grab our account loop variable and find owner ID. Where it equals user 2's ID dot ID. And click done. Alright, so let's go ahead and drag this node down to our decision, or to our assignment, excuse me, and make sure that you select the hot outcome. We're going to do the same thing for the warm or cold, but for user 3. and it should automatically be warm or cold. All right, so the next one we're going to grab is assignment. And again, let's go ahead and copy paste that label. And it's going to be add values to updated collection. And again, I've already created this variable, but you can go ahead and follow the instructions. You'll just click new resource, enter the resource type, and then fill out these fields. And then we're going to want to click add to just the account loop variable. And then click done. Then let's go ahead and connect these two and close out the loop. All right, and I believe this is one of the last ones. I think we have one more after this. We're going to grab update records and label it update accounts. And then select records to update. We're going to grab collect updated accounts. And then click done. And then drag the node down. And then let's go ahead and click save. And then validate that we've done everything, and I'll show you it should match something like this. Of course, it might be look a little bit different. All right, thank you for joining me for part 3 of Build an Account Reassignment Wizard. Be sure to like and subscribe and join me for the next one.